What is your favorite thing about A and B and why?
Yeah, I like the work atmosphere and the environment. Is my favorite thing.
Small number of people, so we started working like a family here, and then like grow into like 65 plus people now, and then the same environment and the same atmosphere continues, and then still everyone knows each other and behave like a family.
AIMD actually allows you to grow if you want to grow. It doesn't have any kind of limits or unwanted political moves to stop you from growing. So the best thing about AIMD is it gives freedom for you to grow as you want.
The work that AIMD is doing, so it exactly aligns with what I like to do.
It's the environment, our team and their cooperation makes the environment comfortable.
Basically, AMB, we have more transparency here, so that is one of the very important things that I saw here in this company, and I'm really happy to be here because of more transparency. Bala has been very, the work culture is very good here, and it's a flat structure. So just talking to the managers or whether talking to the management, for anybody to go and talk, so very clear and transparent.
Second is the way that people interact with each other and the friendliness that they bring in. And second thing is basically the environment that we have created out here in terms of product as well as in delivery. That's quite fascinating and exciting. That is what brings me up to speed out here.
My favorite thing about AMB is the support that you get from the team members and also from the leads. So that is my favorite thing. Whenever I faced certain difficulties in understanding and executing anything in project, there's always this support that comes from naturally. So that's what I like about AMB.
The favorite thing about AMB is that moral support by all the employees, because I joined here as a fresher and I was not aware of what we done here, but each and every time when I have a query or something, people used to support me like anything. So I've learned so many things from AMB. So that's the main thing from AMB.
Describe eTrack in one sentence.
eTrack is a good tracking tool which can be configured in many ways to suit many requirements.
So it's supposed to be a simple tracking system, but it is kind of grown in leaps and bounds and grown to be a bigger system now, which appreciate what the system can do and sell it better.
Yeah, it's a super cool and super flexible product. I think it's a blessed for program administrator to manage the energy efficiency programs.
eTrack, I would hope that all customers would love it, and we should strive to see that we do our best to convince our customers to ensure that they are happy about using this software.
It's flexible and user-friendly product.
What has been your favorite project?
Red project and eTrack, so both are my favorite project.
Obviously, there's only one answer. eTrack, yes, it's been my favorite project.
I think it is Red, where I work with two senior developers, and they are smart enough to understand things quickly and do better job. Actually, the pricing module, it's a part of Red product. I think I love it.
What has been your favorite project and why?
EEPM is my favorite project. Challenge I faced with EEPM is migrating it from another vendor to here, and with the complexity and so many technologies involved in EEPM, it challenged me most, and I like working with EEPM.
Obviously eTrack. No second options. It's been eTrack. It's been a wonderful journey. There's a lot that we can do. So that's been my project, in which I think the product has also grown and I have also grown in.
Obviously, the project will be eTrack because from the beginning I'm working with eTrack, so it will always be eTrack.
Who inspires you in this office?
To be honest, actually, when inspiration comes from different people for different things. There are many people who inspire me in this office. Say, for instance, Bala for making a plan, well before you start the work actually, so for planning. And Raja for his clarity in thinking, Naresh for being very friendly, Mona for being so cool in spite of any system crashes that come in, Selvan for his brains, and you kind of derive inspiration for different things from multiple people.
Actually, to answer this question, it's not just one individual. I have three of them. One is basically Sudarshan, who works on UI team. Even though his role is basically an UI based designing kind of a stuff, and he was recently he is not limiting himself to that. He wants to learn more, and he says the enthusiasm. He shows the enthusiasm to actually teach me more and grow more kind of an environment, which actually creates a good environment around here, and everybody is trying to follow the same lines. That is very good. And he inspires me a lot in updating myself, and he gives me challenges in terms of what I have to be teaching him, how I have to be motivating him. When people are looking up to you, you tend to even go one level up. So that's basically the challenge that he gives me, and he inspires me a lot on that. Second is basically Chinnasamy, who is the person that I have worked with most out here. And the reason why he motivates me is his attitude to ever say no. He says, no, I always, anything that you put to him is always yes, and he says, yes sir, we'll get that done. Even though it is a challenge, he says that let's go ahead and do it. So it gives me that confidence in saying yes, we can accomplish. Since I am very new to this organization, the challenges that I am trying to take is slightly more in a positive fashion. So if unless and until people with who is working with me does not accept to that, it will be very difficult. So but he gives me that inspiration in saying let's go ahead and make a change. So that is the second guy that I'm inspired with. And the third is basically our security guy. The reason why I'm saying security guy is because normally I have worked in various organizations. When you set in a process, and those process gets violated from the very gate of the office itself. But from the day I have come in, I have been noticing the security guy even in late nights or in mornings. He has always been alert. He provides the same kind of standards every time that we enter, the same kind of, by 2 o'clock exactly the gate closes in the afternoon and everybody have to swipe in. So those kinds of process thinking, and this is my organization kind of a feeling, is what the security guy also brings in. That's pretty an inspiring thing for me as a individual.